How to become a registered nurse in the UK for overseas nurses.
Hello friends, after I got registered as a nurse in the UK, many of my friends have been asking me how to become a registered nurse in the UK. Therefore I decided to make a video to show how to do it. If you found this video useful, please share this video to spread knowledge. In this video I will show you step-by-step process and I will try explain it in the easiest way possible. If you didn't understand at any point, or have a query, please comment below and I will reply you as per my best knowledge. Step 1. First and foremost, pass the English language test required for registration. I suggest you to do this first because many struggle to get the required standard in first time, and it may take many attempts to pass. You can either do OET or IELTS for the test. For OET, minimum required standard in all 4 aspects of English, reading, writing, speaking and listening is grade B, and overall grading of minimum B. And for IELTS, minimum required standard is 7 on all aspects except writing, which has been recently changed to 6.5. For both IELTS and OET, you can combine score of 2 tests, if you didn't get 7 and B respectively, however you mustn't have scored below 6.5 in IELTS and below B in OET in any aspects on both tests. Step 2. After passing either IELTS or OET, log on to www.nmc.org.uk and click on Joining the Register, then click on the heading Register as trained outside here. Now click on Begin an application. After this step you will have your personal portal in NMC website. Carry out your personal self-assessment before filling out the form and make sure that you have got all the pre-requirements to join the register. Fill the form correctly in the portal with your correct information. After you submit the form, NMC will conduct their assessment and send an email leading to the next test, if you are deemed eligible. Step 3. After you are deemed eligible to sit for the test, NMC will notify you via email that you are authorized to take the Part 1 test of competence, or commonly known as CBT, computer-based test by NMC. Pearson VUE is the NMC-approved test provider. You have to contact and book the test in the nearest Pearson VUE test center by yourself. The test costs £130 at the moment. After you have passed your CBT, you will be asked to provide your supporting documents for your application. You will need to upload the copies of the following documents to NMC on your personal NMC portal. 1. Your current valid passport. 2. Your birth certificate. 3. All formal qualifications certificates, schools, colleges and universities. 4. Your NMC registration certificate in your home country and any other countries if you have practiced nursing there. 5. Police clearance certificate of all the countries that you have lived in, and DBS clearance certificate if you are in the UK for more than 3 months during the time of application. You have to upload all of them in PDF format. Make sure you all upload all the documents correctly and neatly, otherwise you will be at the back of the queue again for assessment if any of them are wrong. You'll also need to download and print the following forms from your online portal and have them completed by the respective organization or authority. 1. Registration verification from each country where you have practiced or where you have been previously registered. 2. A complete form to accompany transcript of training form and full transcript of your training for all relevant nursing program. 3. A good health declaration from your general practitioner, doctor, or the occupational health department at your place of work. All forms must be completed in full and stamped and dated. They should be sent directly to the NMC on the provided address in the form by the respective organization or authority. The progress of your documents, whether NMC has received or not, can be seen on your online portal. The application and assessment will cost £140. Once all your correct documents reach NMC and NMC confirms that you have met the registration requirement, your application will be progressed to the next stage, which is the Objective Structure Clinical Examination, or commonly known as OSCE. It is Test of Competence Part 2. The test will cost £992 and can only be completed in the UK. You should be aware that you will be required to meet the full requirements of the UK immigration policy separately by yourself. Once NMC authorizes you for OSCE, you should directly contact either of the following university and arrange the test yourself. 1. University of Northampton. 2. Oxford Brookes University or 3. Ulster University. This can be done online. OSCE is a 6 different station test, each with separate clinical examination. Each of the 6 stations has standardized marking criteria against which you will be assessed. You will be assessed by a panel of examiners. A face-to-face check will also be done on the OSCE location on the same day as your exam. You have to have all your original documents that you submitted on your portal on this day. Once NMC receives the notification from the test center that you have passed the OSCE and ID check, you will be asked to complete the final declaration. Complete the final declaration and pay £153 as a payment for registration. Once you complete everything, NMC will send you your registration number, a PIN. Congratulations, you are nurse now. Thanks for watching the video and best of luck for your registration process. Please comment your questions and query regarding the registration process. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel if the video was helpful.